Ninja Smart Double Oven. It's got 2 oven chambers, one at the top and one at the bottom. The one at the bottom has an air fry. I'm gonna show y'all one of my favorite recipes that we do here at our house pretty often. First, I'm gonna set the bottom to air fry. So I'm gonna hit that bottom and select air fry, okay? My temp's gonna be 390, and this is gonna be for 22 minutes. The top, I'm gonna select bake, the temperature of 400, and now that needs to be on for about 16 minutes. Smart finish, I'm gonna hit go. I'm gonna let this preheat. I've already prepped my food. What we've got is some salmon fillets with blackening seasoning and some broccoli with some seasoning that we're actually going to air fry the broccoli. So the bottom oven's preheating right now, and the top oven is in a holding pattern while the bottom oven preheats. Once the bottom oven is done, we'll place our broccoli in, and it will cook until it gets to a certain time point to sync the timers up. Now we've got our bottom oven has finished preheating, so we're going to open up and we're going to put the broccoli in. Now it's going to cook the broccoli down until it gets to a time point that the top oven needs to start preheating. It'll preheat and then we'll put our salmon in. While I'm waiting for the broccoli to cook down a little bit and the top oven to start preheating, I'll tell you about it. I will say the one thing I don't like about it is the bottom oven is a little bit difficult to clean. The air fryer starts to blow the oil around on the inside, so it's very difficult to wipe out unless you're cleaning it after every single cook, which I've got kids, who's got time for that? So now we see that the top oven has started counting down. One of my favorite features about this is while the bottom's oven is cooking, I can just press this button here to open the top oven, slide my food in and close it so I don't have to access the bottom oven to get to the top oven. Makes it really nice. Now both of these are synced up, so all the food should be coming out at the same time. Now we've got both of them have finished, so let's see what we have. Wonderful air fried broccoli. We like it crispy around here. And check out that perfect oven baked salmon. All done without having to heat up our large oven, which is going to create more heat in the house. And I don't want that in the Texas summer. This thing's awesome.